Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guys. Now pretty much this is what you get in the box. This is going to be another episode of Fact or Fiction. Alright, this is one of those quick and easy DIY little projects. Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guys. So today we've got two upper and lower on the tool review. Stay tuned for more T-Bucket build videos coming up. Car hacks, right here. Seatbelt. Works perfect. Which one did you throw?
The little one.
Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. We've got a 2011 Impala. Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guys. Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. This is one of those car hacks. Everything went great except for this little oops right here.
Mother.
Get in there and boom! Look at that.